Some other things we got to take a look at is they sent me this having run it through the table saw with a bunch of burn marks. So you can see that they really went to war there. Not sure if the blade was bad. Not sure if it's just because the material is unbelievably heavy. Who knows? I really don't know. I wasn't there. This edge here, not too bad. We got some chip out going on here. That's all stuff we can deal with reasonably. For the viewers at home, look at this tear out coming through here. And what's that from? I want you to take a look at the grain of the material. That blowout is down here, so watch how the grain changes. See that? Of course that's where the tear out is. You can see the grain